Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm EVM and this is a very sad day. But it's also a happy day as well, because the Tesla Model 3, after 2 years of ownership, is going. But a new car is coming in its place. Now, I feel I should put a warning, a health warning on this video, because the car that's replacing this is like the Antichrist to what the Tesla is. It's very different. Don't panic, it's not a self-charging hybrid, but it is very different. Some people will not like this. Some people really not like this, to be honest. But all I will say is there's a reason for it being on the channel. There's a purpose. Don't go anywhere. Don't click the unsubscribe button. There's a reason for it being here. Just trust me on this one. It's a very exciting date for me. I think it's pretty obvious what I'm doing right now. I'm like a child. I'm giddy, quite frankly. I'm very excited. Today's date will stick in my head for a long time. Hopefully it will stick in your head for a long time as well. I'll be honest, part of me feels a bit of a fool for having such a car on an electric vehicle channel. Anyway, let's get on with this. Let me just show you the car, get it out of the way, and let me know in the comments what you think. That's all I'll say. I will also add that I only had my iPhone with me when I went to pick it up, because it was I was too giddy and I forgot all the camera equipment, quite frankly. I forgot that I wasn't going there in my car. So anyway, let's get on with this. The new EVM Mobile, the member of the fleet, is okay. There's the dealership. Is that one of my cars? Is that one, do you think? Of course not. There's no way I'd buy one of those in that colour.
Are you ready? Good colour choice.
Right, I'm arrived at the place that's getting this wrapped. It's going to have PPF, as you would expect. Are you ready? Oh. I'm nursing a semi right now. In fact, it's probably bigger than a semi. There are things in life that I think you just have to say, you know what, it's worth it. The finance package, everything, it's just worth it. I mean, that noise, this is like 2,000 RPM. It's an emotive purchase. It's not a practical one like the Tesla, but I don't care. Oh my Lord. Fucking hell. There's going to be a few swearages going on here. You know what? There's not going to be any videos on this because it's an electric vehicle, man, of course. Why is this on the channel? I mean, this is a day to remember. This is a date I will never forget in my head. Put it in reverse. Actually quite easy. We have reverse it camera right in front of me. I have checked and it will just about fit in my garage. That's quite an important factor. You know what, on the drive back from the Lamborghini dealership, it got 27 miles per gallon. It shuts half of the cylinders down when it's not using them. So it's efficient as well. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. I'm a YouTuber. I have a Lamborghini. It fits, doesn't it? So thank you for watching. Hopefully, if you want a Model 3, let me know. It's for sale. I need the money. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good Well, we're in spring now, isn't it? Again, it's a date that's never going to leave my head. Thank you for watching. See you soon. I'm going to go and have some fun.